Hello everyone, today we are going to see on how to delete one particular applications permanently whenever we are getting this kind of error like the file it is used or the file it is opened. So if you are getting this kind of error, how we can delete the file permanently from our system. Okay, for that see here I have uninstall the particular application in control panel itself. My application it is Informatica Cloud Secure Agent. Okay, this application I have done uninstallation done in a control panel, but after done that uninstallation I need to delete the application in file explorer also. Okay, I am trying to deleting this file with help of shift plus delete, but it is showing that the file it is in use. The action can't be completed because the file it is opened. Okay, so like that if we are getting error means how we can solve this one. Okay, for that just know about what is your file name. My file name it is process supervisor. This is my file name. Okay, now we need to know the file where it is presented in the application. Okay, now just closes the pop-up box. Okay, and we can check the file where it is presented in our secure agent application. Now see here, we want to check each of the file. Okay, now see here the process supervisor file it is located here. Now copy your file name. Okay, with help of Control C. Once you copy the file name, then in start button just use the resource monitor. Okay, enter the resource monitor. Okay, after whatever you copied your file name, paste it here in the search box in associated handles. There you paste it. Okay, once you paste it and refresh your the file. Okay, now see here we got the result. Okay, we got the result and the sum of the process it is running. Okay, now right click on that any of the file, it will show that end process. Okay, here the one pop-up box it's coming. Do you want to end the file? Okay, so if you are doing that end process means the data will be lost, like that it is showing the pop-up box. We know that we want to delete the file, so if it is lost also it is not worry about that, just do the end process. Okay, click on the end process and the process is ended. Now we have some other files it is presented with the same name. Now you right click it, see here the end process it is disabled because we already done that first file itself we done. That's the reason it is everything it is disabled. Now you try to delete, shift plus delete permanently from our system. Okay, use a shift plus delete. Okay, now the file it is deleted. Okay, now we can delete our application from our systems. Okay, now give the shift plus delete, the application will be deleted from our system permanently. Like that we can delete our permanent, if the file it is in use means we can delete permanently. Okay, thank you for watching. If this session is really helpful for you, please subscribe it, comment it and share it.